Hello guys, this is Akinla Kinai. I'm the lead instructor from KinFX Academy. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new to this YouTube channel, please click on subscribe button, and if you are a returning subscriber, I welcome you to this video. So in this video, I'm just going to give you this simple and quick strategy, 5-minute strategy in scalping boom and crash. As you can see, I entered these two positions 4 minutes ago, so I'm going to close it in a few seconds now. I'm going to tell you the reason why I entered the trade, and I'm going to tell you the reason why I closed the trade. So with what you can see on my screen, you can see 3 indicators. So I have my awesome oscillator, accelerator oscillator, and my moving average convergence divergence, which we know as MACD. You understand? So these indicators almost work as same, like their duty is almost the same, but there is a reason I combine the whole 3 together. So now I'm going to close the trade because that is what the strategy says. So I'm going to close the trade. So that is that for that trade. I'm going to tell you the reason why I entered the trade. So now, as you can see that there is a same thing. Like you can see some similarities between these indicators. You can see level 0, level 0, level 0. You understand? So this awesome oscillator is B Williams oscillator, the awesome and the accelerator oscillator. You understand? The accelerator oscillator was designed from awesome oscillator. You understand? Sorry. So now the reason why I combine them in this strategy is because this awesome oscillator give signal. You understand what I mean? This awesome oscillator give signal if to sell or to buy in the market, though the signal is not as pure as that, but if you know how to use it very well, because many people complain about using indicators that indicator used to fail. If you use indicator for the purpose they were designed, is not going to fail you. You understand? And before you can condemn anything, you have your demo to test it instead of complaining about how badly an indicator did to you. No. So the demo account is designed for you to build a confidence in a strategy. You understand what I mean? So even if someone give you a strategy and it show you the results making billions of dollars, I don't want you to just go into your live account and started using this strategy. Instead, go to your demo account, verify the strategy for like weeks, so before you can build your own confidence with the strategy. Now, this awesome oscillator tell us when the market is going to change the trend, like give us the signal if the trend is continuing or is going to change. And this accelerator oscillator tell us when the momentum change, even before we see it on the chart. It predicts it. It has its own calculation. You understand? The accelerator oscillator has its own calculation. It's like 5 period times the price median minus 35 period. It has its own calculation. So maybe I'm going to do a video on that separately, but this is just a strategy. I'm just going to go to I'm going to go straight to why I'm using them for this strategy. So you can see that here the price is below the 0 level. You understand? We show the downtrend, and you can see something about this red line, that the like the previous one will be shorter than the next one. You understand? Which tell us that there is a strength in that particular trend, that particular downtrend, because once the candle this bar below the level zero, that means the market is in downtrend, is selling. And when this bar is above the level zero, that means the market is buying. You understand? So but now this accelerator oscillator give us a sign, a signal, um awesome oscillator rather give us a signal before it happens. You understand? Before it happens. So now the confirmation is from accelerator oscillator because it deal with the momentum. So as you can see here, you can see that both the accelerate awesome oscillator and the MACD have give the sell signal. The sell signal has started from here, which show that the market is in downtrend, is selling. But this um accelerator oscillator have tell us the change in momentum. If you take note of this, let me show this clearly. You will see that all this bar, sorry, check this bar. You can see that there is the first one, all these ones are short, these ones are long, this one are long. Like the previous one is short. The longer the bar, the more the strength of the that trend. But you can see that accelerator oscillator is not behaving like that. You can see that somewhere around there the candle started shorting and it changed color to green. The accelerator oscillator has tell you here that there is change, there is already change in the momentum which will affect the market. You understand? You can see that here. You can see that when this show green, this is still showing red. And what happened is, you can see that there's a spike here. This accelerator has already tell you about that spike if you know how to use these indicators very well. This accelerator has already tell you, but this awesome oscillator doesn't tell you. So that is why I combine the two for confirmation. I can't use only one. So you can see that. So also MACD also give the signal for the spike. You understand? So MACD also give the signal for that spike. So if you are trading, but based on that MACD only appear in one color, is not as quick, it's not easy to notice it as quick as this accelerator. You know, normally when the bar below is zero, it's supposed to be in red color. Once you can spot the green color, you should know that something is going to happen, that there is a change in the momentum. You understand? That is the signal. When you see the green candle below level zero, normally it's supposed to be red. But when you see it in a green color, in the opposite, same thing when the market is in uptrend and you see a red color instead of green color, you should know that something is going to happen. That is the work of accelerator. You know, the accelerator oscillator work for acceleration and deceleration. You understand? When there is acceleration, this bar is going to be long, 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 long. You won't see any other color. But once there is going to be a deceleration, you see that the candles change color. You can see normally here it starts with red. It's supposed to be red. Once the green appear here, there's a deceleration, which indicate that the momentum has changed. You understand? And this you can see that, let me show you something. This three green bar, this is what indicate this small spike here. You can see this small spike. You can see it. If you know what I'm saying, you can see this this candle is not full, that small candle. So this is what the green, this accelerator oscillator has already tell you. if you know how to read this very well. So now, how to use this all these three indicators to trade. Why I enter that? No, first of all, add these indicators to your chart. Let me show you. First of all, add your horizontal oscillator. This is the setting. I think it's default settings. Then click on OK. You understand? So you can use any color of your choice, but just leave it like this so that you won't get confused. You understand? So accelerator oscillator, leave it as default as like this with the color. It's okay. So mark D, this is where you are going to change some settings. So the fast EMA should be 3, slow EMA should be 5, mark D SMA should be 15. Apply to close. Main 3 pixel. You can use any pixel. I just want the thing to show very well. The signal 1 pixel, and change this color to the background of your chart. If you are using dark screen, you can change it to black so that it's just for it not to appear. You understand? So then click on done. After that, then you will see that all this will appear on your screen. You understand? So you can see there is that this accelerator oscillator has already give us this green candle doesn't right, because this bar is below zero. It's supposed to be in red if thing is going right. You understand? But it has tell us that something has changed. The momentum has changed, which is going to still affect the price of the, because accelerators later work with price psychology. You understand? It work with price action. You understand? So it see what many people did not see. So it doesn't give signal, but it tell you what is going to happen for that period of time. So it doesn't tell you whether it's going to last or long, but it tells you what is going to happen. You understand? So now let me tell you how to use this indicator. Don't let me just go too far into all these indicators, because I think if I'm going to continue to explain, these indicators has so many calculations before they come up. Like as Bill Williams contended that before the trend in price change, the direction of the momentum will change, and that's even before this there will be an acceleration change in momentum. So that is why this accelerator is more faster than the other, because there must first be an acceleration change before the change in momentum. So before the price trend change. You understand? So now let me just show you how I enter this strategy. Is just one candle. You know, this is 5 minute time frame. This one candle lasts for 5 minutes. You know, the trade I closed now, I entered it is just for 5 minutes before I close that trade. You understand? So maybe we should check whether we can see any other ones. Let's check Crash 300. No, I can't enter this trade, though this accelerators later has give the signal that the market is going to buy, which I'm looking for buy already, but I'm waiting for horizontal oscillator to also comply with the two indicator. You know, the MACD2 has give the signal for buy, but I'm waiting for also oscillator. So guys, don't let me get you confused. Let me show you what I'm looking. You see, there must be an agreement between all these three indicators before you can trade with them. I don't think you get what I'm saying. You see, all these indicators must be below zero. If you are going to sell, must be below zero, and the color must be red, not just below zero. The color must be same thing. The color, you know, when the price moving up, that is the bullish candle is green, while the bearish candle is red. So when it's up above zero, you should consider it as bullish, and when it's down below the zero, you should consider it as bearish. So below the zero you are looking for red, bearish. Above the zero you are looking for green, bullish. So now, crash with buy, so I'm looking for buy. You can see, if you bring out your cross here, you can see that the MACD has give the signal, the accelerator has give the signal. It's already, the green is already up, but we are waiting for this awesome oscillator to also give the signal before anyone can buy. And after you see the signal for the awesome, you wait for it to close, then you enter. When you enter for buy, you close at the close of that candle. Just 5 minutes, just 5 minutes. If you follow the instruction, you are going to this strategy is going to feed you with a lot of profit. But if you don't follow the instruction, I don't know what is going to happen, so that is that about this strategy. You can see the reason why I enter this trade the other time is that there is an I enter the trade here, yes, because this is the signal. Then I enter here and I close it at the end of this candle. You understand that? I close it at the end of that candle. Let's see whether this has give us signal. It has not. So I'm going to close this video, stop video soon. Guys, demo account is for you to build confidence in every strategy. No matter what anybody tell you, maybe the strategy is 1000% efficiency, it doesn't matter. You have to build your own confidence on that particular strategy by going to your demo account and test it very well and know how it works. You understand? So not just because of someone say the person is a professional, okay, and you now enter live trading, you will have yourself to blame. First of all, work on your demo account, test the strategy. That is why the demo is there. Don't use your money to take experiments. You understand? So let's see whether we are going to see any trade. You can see here the awesome oscillator is what we are waiting for here too. You can see there's already the our MACD is already above the zero. It has give the buy signal already. The accelerator has give the buy signal already. While the awesome are waiting for the awesome to also give the signal. Once you can spot the green candle above this zero, if you can spot the green candle, you should take for buy and close at the end of that one candle. It's just a candle, just 5 minutes. You close the trade, so don't stay long. You are scalping. You understand? You are scalping. So it's a scalping strategy. So you are not staying long. It's a 5 minute strategy. If you study these two indicators very well, you can also build your own strategy with it. Maybe you can increase the time frame. You understand? Which is going to give you more money. So depend on the size of your capital though. So guys, if you have any other question or if you don't understand this video, you can watch it again or drop your question under this under the comment section. I'm going to open the comment section. Drop it. I will surely attend to your question. So guys, I wish you happy trading.